Welcome to this professional masterclass on AI jewelry design. Today we are going to master the JA Designs AI Jewelry Prompt Bundle, your complete system for creating manufacturing-ready concepts using artificial intelligence. The jewelry industry is evolving. Traditional sketching and CAD pre-visualization can take hours or even days. With this AI system, we can cut that time by 80%, generating professional concepts that are ready for client approval and CAD handover instantly. Hi, I am Piyush Jha. In this lesson, we'll cover everything from the master prompt formula to specific manufacturing rules for rings, pendants, and earrings. We aren't just making pictures, we're creating technical blueprints for real-world production. iJewelry Design is a professional workflow. It uses structured prompt engineering to guide artificial intelligence in generating high-resolution realistic renders. It's a powerful communication tool between the designer, the client, and the workshop. To get professional results, we use prompt engineering. A prompt isn't just a description, it's a set of structured instructions. Without a system, you get floating stones and impossible joints. With our system, every render is a manufacturing-ready concept. The master prompt formula layers information from broad to specific. We start with the product, what are we designing? Then the material, the specific matter type and carat. And finally the theme, the design language or motif that defines the aesthetic. Next, we add the view, front, side or back, and most importantly, the rules. These are the CAD and manufacturing instructions that ensure the design can actually be cast, polished, and set in real gold and diamonds without technical errors. Every prompt includes global rendering rules. We always specify a black background for maximum diamond brilliance and a premium gold finish to reflect the true quality of Indian craftsmanship. This ensures your renders look like they belong in a high-end catalog. Technically, we must specify no floating parts and practical CAD-friendly construction. For casting, we need walls to be at least 0.8 mm thick. These rules protect you from presenting a concept that is physically impossible to produce. Our prompts include instructions to avoid common generation errors, like diamonds that appear to float with no setting. The result is a concept render that your karigar or casting partner can actually review, quote on, and manufacture with confidence. For CAD designers, the AI render serves as a clear blueprint. It must show how the piece is assembled, galleries, settings, and structural elements should all be visible and logical. This reduces revisions and accelerates the production timeline significantly. Rings are the most technically demanding category. A professional prompt always specifies that the proper ring shank must be visible. We also include comfortable finger fit to guide the AI toward wearable designs rather than impractically bulky bands. Whether you're designing a simple solitaire or a bold cocktail ring, the shank is as important as the top. Our system includes specific prompts for every major ring category, ensuring the proportions between the design and the finger fit are always accurate. Let's look at a daily wear ring. These prompts prioritize lightweight construction and elegant simplicity. We keep the gold weight between 2 and 4 grams to produce designs that are comfortable for everyday use while maintaining a premium feel. In the daily wear segment, less is more. We avoid hanging parts or over-complex settings. The goal is to create a piece that is beautifully crafted and suitable for office environments or everyday gifting, without being heavy or over-designed. In contrast, a cocktail ring is a bold statement piece. Here, we add comfortable height to the prompt to prevent the AI from generating impossibly tall designs. We want a bold spread and design complexity, but it must remain wearable for special occasions. Statement jewelry should communicate visual weight through the density of gold and diamond coverage, not through impractical floating elements. We always pair these bold designs with balanced proportion to avoid an over-designed or cluttered output. For pendants, the practical bail design is absolutely critical. Without it, AI often generates pendants with no way to attach a chain. We also specify the size, small, medium or large, to help the AI proportion the stones and metal correctly. Pandam becks must have a practical thickness for casting. This prevents the AI from generating wafer-thin designs that would collapse during the lost wax process. We want a finished piece that is both visually harmonious and technically settable. Lightweight pendants are a growing priority. This prompt generates designs that appear premium while communicating a visually lighter construction. It's ideal for customers who want to maximize the look while minimizing the gold weight and cost. In the Indian market, gold price increases have made lightweight design essential. By using clean gold flow and small round diamonds in your prompts, you can create pieces that look high value but remain affordable for a larger customer segment. Earring prompts include category-specific structural instructions. For studs, we always specify proper stud back construction. For danglets and jhumkas, we add practical joints and elegant hanging movement to ensure the AI understands the physical assembly. The earring category is incredibly diverse. From the crescent architecture of a chandbali to the dome-shaped bell of a jhumka, targeted structural details ensure your AI concepts are suitable for both client approval and professional manufacturing review. The jhumka is a beloved Indian form. A prompt generates the correct dome architecture and traditional decorative elements. We include practical hanging connection to ensure the top stud and the dome drop are physically and logically connected. Traditional designs draw from a rich heritage of motifs and construction techniques. By using prompts that respect these forms, you can create concepts that honor Indian culture while remaining manufacturable with modern casting and setting techniques. One of the most common mistakes is specifying unrealistic weights. Use our weight planner every time you write a prompt. It ensures your concept is commercially realistic and aligned with your client's budget from the very first render. For bespoke commissions, we use the 3-view presentation system. Combining front, side, and back views gives your CAD modeler a complete 3-dimensional understanding, drastically reducing revisions and saving hours of production time. Watch out for pitfalls like over-specifying diamond weight or ignoring the back view. Always run your prompts through our scorecard. A prompt that passes all 9 checks will consistently generate high-quality, client-ready renders that you can stand behind. My final tip: use references for inspiration, not imitation. Change the internal pattern and diamond layout to make every design uniquely yours. Focus on high-contrast renders that showcase the value and craftsmanship of your professional vision. To recap, follow the master formula. Prioritize manufacturing logic. Use our planners for realism, and always present your work in a professional catalog quality format. These steps will transform your design practice today. In our next lesson, we'll dive into advanced reference-based systems. Start practicing with the universal prompt today. Design better, deliver faster, and I'll see you in the next session.